Hi, we're here at Melbourne Avenue in Eastriggs. We're looking at a very, very special property today. It's a two-bed flat, but that doesn't really describe it accurately. It's a windy day, so I'm going to get in as soon as I can, but that's your property with a balcony there. This is your street scene, so a nice quiet residential area, great for families, and I say nice and peaceful. And we've got these double gates going in to the property grounds. The gates are lockable. You've got this big long sweeping gravel driveway where you see the machinery there, still just to finish off laying in the offshore part there. So plenty of parking in here. There is a detached garage as well. And look at these gardens, 3 great big mature trees, mostly laid to lawn. Absolutely fabulous. So let us go in out of the wind. Look at this fantastic refurbished interior. So when you walk in, you come into the kitchen. The kitchen has been fitted with a range of modern shaker style units, nice work surfaces over. You have a breakfast table. You've got ceramic hob, extractor fan, electric oven, microwave built in. We have a built-in dishwasher. There's a washing machine there as well, which is included in the rental. And we have a very tall fridge unit in here as well. Useful understairs storage there. And then we go open plan up the stairs leading to the living area. All the doors in here are beautiful walnut doors, lovely walnut style floors, and indeed the balustrade as well on the stairs as we just walked up. Let's start with the dining area. So the dining area has some useful cabinets. There's plenty of space in here to put a family-sized dining table if one wishes. And we have a freezer unit up here, a sink unit, and a few cabinets for you to use as a dining space. And this is wonderful. Look at this. You have sliding doors from the dining area that takes you out to this balcony. And we'll have a little step out. We're in the winter here, so the trees are not in leaf currently, but that opens up the views. In the summer you get a bit more privacy, but what a wonderful place to sit out and have a coffee in the morning before you start on your day. Absolutely fabulous. So that's our balcony. We make our way back into the living area now. So you've got loads of space here for sofas, chairs, television tables, living room furniture. The floors are underheated in this room. They're underfloor heated in the kitchen as well. And lovely light space, 2 windows there to opposite elevations, giving you the long views, but a fantastic, breezy, open living area. There's a door here which leads us through to a WC, which is all nicely presented. Countertop wash hand basin and some storage space there in the cabinetry. And then we take 3-4 steps up into an inner hall and we make our way into the bedroom accommodation and the bathroom. And look at this for a bathroom. So we've got fully tiled elevations, tiled floor, WC, big generous walk-in tile shower cubicle. We've got the vanity wall hung wash hand basin and this beautiful freestanding bath. Absolutely gorgeous bathroom. And that of course has the complementary separate WC which I've just shown you. Then we've got the first of the 2 double beds. So this has got built-in hanging space to either side of the window there. We've got a little work desk or dressing space area, whatever you want to use it for, some shelving in a recess. Plenty of space here for you to put your bed. You can choose whether you want to go bed head that way or that way. Television points are everywhere in this house, are the plugs to allow you to use the space flexibly. And then we come into the second bedroom, which is again a good sized double. Once again has some shelving space and cabinetry space built in. And we've got a very, very useful understairs storage here as well, which you can store a whole host of things in. So that's Melbourne Avenue in Eastriggs, a stunning, stunning contemporary apartment building. Really big space, ideal for a professional couple, ideal for those who perhaps want and yearn to have some outside space, which I'll just re-show you there. Property is going to be available immediately after you've watched this video, so if you're interested, do please get in touch with Hunters and we'll arrange for you to make a viewing.